Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and let me share with you how to reset the settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Now let's tap on the Reset option, and as you can see at the very top we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it. And here your device is informing you what actually will be reset. So you will reset actually everything without the security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. So if you are ready, just tap on Reset Settings. If you've got any kind of pattern, actually not pattern, PIN or password, then enter to confirm. And here we've got again the information that all the settings will be reset to their defaults and cannot be recovered. To apply the new settings, your phone will restart. So simply tap on Reset, and now we have to wait. Your device will be first of all turned off, and after that automatically turned on. And after that everything will be reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset the settings in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.